So this is just a quick overview of our platform. So here you can find all the connected channels as well. So we actually support Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, Google Business Messages, web chatbot, SMS, voice, Telegram, Viber, and email. So you can create easy no-code driven chatbots on all these channels using our platform. So let's go to settings and look at the integrations over here. So we actually support integrations with API and Facebook ads, Google Sheets, Zapier, Make. So basically you can connect tons of apps using integrations with Zapier and Make. And we also support integration with OpenAI, ChatGPT, Google Dialogflow, Google Speech to Text, PayPal, and we also support WooCommerce stores as well. And we also have integrations with a few email marketing platforms such as MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, MailerLite, likewise. So these are the few integrations you can do on our platform. Now let's see how you can actually easily create your first easy no code driven chatbot. So you have to go to flows over here. So let me create the first flow over here. So I can name it as demo. So this is the easy no code graphical interface where you can create drag and drop chatbots. Block over here, you will see message type, it says omnichannel. So it can support all these channels over here. So basically once you create for using this omni-channel type, your chatbot can run on all these channels if you have connected those channels over here. So you can add content like text, images, and you can even get user data such as email, phone number, those kind of things as well. And you can even add video, GIF, typing delays, and even add files, those kind of things as well. So let me start with a GIF over here. So let me add a GIF. So you can search any kind of GIF over here. So let me search as welcome. So it will actually result in the GIFs related to welcome. So let me add this particular GIF over here. And after this GIF, I'm going to send a text message. So I can choose a text over here. So you can type any kind of text. So welcome to Chatic Media, something like that. So you can even add buttons as well. So let me do the so please tap the button below to begin, something like that. And you can even add any kind of emojis as well. So what you can do is I can add a button over here. Let's name that button as start, and let me add a small star emoji as well. Save. So now the first message will be sent, this particular GIF, and after that this particular message will be sent. And when they tap on this button start, we can send other message. So let me add great, let's get started, something like that. And I'm going to add a typing delay over here. So you can actually create your own based on your requirements. And let me add content. So this time I'm going to ask for their email address. For that we have to use get user data. So it can be email address, phone number, or any other kind of variables such as your quiz questions as well. So get user data. Let me type what is your email address. So when you press edit, by default it will be set as email address, and the response will be also saved to this email custom field. So if they actually fail to enter a valid email address, this is the error message they will be getting. And they can also skip this step as well. So basically if you delete this previous skip step, they actually have to enter the email address. So let me keep as it is and click save. So now what we are going to do is when the email address is given, that means the data is saved. So what you can do is you can send another message. Let me do thank you, your email address, your email address is here. We can get that particular field over here. So if you type one bracket like this, and if you type email, you can simply get that field over here. So if they skipped, what we can do is we can simply send another message saying you have not provided your email address. So likewise you can actually create the flows. So let's say if you want to link this particular person to the first step again, what we can do is you can add this kind of button, or you can add this bubble button as well. Both plays the same role. So basically what you can do is you can try again. You can add this button as well, try again. So now we have created the button over here. So let me create the same button in this step as well. Quick reply, try again. So here I can link this particular button over here. Likewise I can link again. So basically they can actually go through these same flows again and again by clicking try again. So now you have created this particular simple flow over here. Now you can actually preview this particular flow using this preview button over here, or you can use this preview button as well. So based on the connected channels you can preview this, because here we have selected the omni-channel approach. So let's preview this on Messenger and see what it says. So preview button, continue on Messenger. So it says success, so it will be sent to Messenger. So let me show my phone screen over here, and as you see here we have received this exact message as you see here, this GIF and this particular message, and click to begin. So this is how very easy to create chatbots over here. So if I press this button start over here, it will send me this particular message. Great, let's get started. And after 2 seconds I will receive a message asking for the email. Since this is Facebook, it will automatically populate the email associated with your Facebook account. So here we have two options. I have my email populated and skip. So this time let me skip and see what it says. So if someone skipped, it should actually send me asking you have not provided your email address. And after that, if they press try again, we will receive the same message again. So let me show that again. So let me press try again now, and it will actually send me the GIF again, and it will send me the welcome message again as well. So it will say welcome to Chatting Media, please tap the button. So let me press start over here, and it says great, let's get started, and it will ask for my email. So this time let me provide my email over here, and it should say thank you, your email is this particular email. So you can even add conditions, actions, blocks as well to make your chatbot more intelligent. So that is just a quick overview of how you can actually create the chatbots over here. Thank you.